Good morning, and I want to welcome you all to the channel. My name is Mariella, and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is June the 26th, and our daily devotion is The Answer is No. Hold on, I gotta get this to where I can see it. The Lord said to my father David, "Because it is in your heart to build a house for my name, you did well that it was in your heart. Nevertheless, you shall not build the house, but your son who will be born to you will build the house for my name." 1 Kings 8, verse 18 through 19. We might ask things of God with all the right intentions. Yet sometimes God just needs to say no. It is hard to accept no as an answer, but we need to trust that God has a bigger picture in mind. He is the one that is ultimately in control of his plan. And although he loves us, it doesn't always mean we get what we want. Be encouraged that God is pleased with you and trust that he will figure out the rest. God, give me humility and grace to accept that even some of my best intentions will not be answered in the way that I want them to be. Help me to recognize when your greater plan is at work. And the nighttime devotion is, even when God says no to a good intention, he still works out his plan for the good. David didn't see the temple that he had in his heart to build, yet it was built. Solomon likely built the temple even better than his father would have because of his great wisdom. The new temple was built out of the best materials and the best workmanship known to man. You might have to accept that your good intentions are the start of something incredible, but someone else may get the chance to do things you had been wanting to do. And the question of the day is, what dream could God be saying no to you about? Right now, I don't have any dreams that I'm not living. But I know in the past, God has told me no a lot of times. And when I look back on those, it was a good thing that God said no to. So think about it. How many times has God told you no? I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.